Hello, Internet. Today, let's look at patterns in multiplication. Why? Why do we want to do this? Well, a lot of people, young and old, have difficulties remembering their multiplication tables. So, by seeing patterns and remembering things in general, but by seeing patterns, and memorization can be much easier. And who knows? With this crayon color exercise we're doing today, you might even find it fun. Anyway, we're going to start out by writing all the numbers from 0 to 99, or let's see how far we get. All right, here we go. Let's start by 0, 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You get the picture, right? Goes on. 24, 25, 26, 27,
95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Oh, we can keep on going. 100, 101, 102, 103. Goes on. I could go on, but you can go on too on your own. So let's see. We have a bunch of numbers here. We've counted to 100. We've counted to 100, and it's we've done it by ones. Now what we're going to do, the second step, is we're going to use these different colored crayons to skip count all the way to 100. So let's see, let's always start with 0. In this certain crayon, it's sort of like we can pretend that it's a magic crayon, and it actually it'll color here and every other one. So it'll start at 0, and then it'll color the 2, and it'll jump by 2. So we're circling in the 2, right? Okay. 2. What's next? 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And then we've marked everything that is multiple of 2 in the whole chart here, which is pretty cool. So we're done with this crayon. Now let's see. Let's take the next one. Let's use orange for 3. So 3 times 0 is 0, and 3 times 1 is 3, right? So keep on going here. 3 times 2 is 6. 6, 9. 3 times 3. 3 times 4 is 12. See, the 2 has landed on there too, and the 2 has landed on here as well. So the 2 has landed on here, so it's 3 times 2 times probably, well, 2 again, right? But, or some multiple of 2. And so we just keep on going. 3, 15, next one it lands on. After that, 3. You can count them. You can do like with a rhythm. You can go boom, boom, chuck, boom, boom, chuck, boom, boom, chuck. Two. And there's that 1, 2, 3, 96. And we just do this diagonally as well. And like that, 69, that's also diagonal. So say 1, 2, 3, and then 99. And then we've covered them all without even counting. You know, how cool is that? Quite. Anyway, so now we take the next one, which is yellow color, and we start at 0. 0 times what's the next the number that hasn't been marked yet, that no one of these crayons has landed on during our skip counting exercises? Well, that number is it 4? No, because 4 is divisible by 2, but it's 5. So we have 5. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 1 is 5. Oh, let's circle that in. And with 5, we really start seeing a pattern quite early here, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you'll see quite early, and maybe you already knew this, that there's a certain pattern, and it goes straight down here and here. Memorizing that, one way of doing it is just to, one way of remembering it is just to seeing this in front of you with different colors. You can even assign these colors that you remember, and then you can just remember that the 5 goes like that. 2 is also really kind of easier in the multiplication tables. So if you're memorizing multiplication tables, 2 and 5 are usually the ones you get first, and then you go on to others, like well, you can do the 3, for example. 4 is just a multiple of 2 and so forth. But okay, so what's after that? We have 6 is already taken, because 3 times 2 is 6, and you see that here by the dots. The next one that hasn't been marked yet is the 7. No one has landed on the 7. Okay, and we put the we mark 7 times 0 is 0. You see that it's not orange, it's red. Hope that, yeah, that should turn up. Anyway, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 35. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 42. See, you see the factors. It's 7 times 2 times 3. 7 times 6, 42, which is pretty cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is 7 times 7 is 49. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 8 is 56. And you see the 7, and there's a 2 has landed on here. And, well, it's a multiple of 2. And it's a multiple of 7. It's also a multiple of 4. It's also a multiple of 8. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 times 7. So you have the divisible by 3 and divisible by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 70. And divisible by 10. Let's see if we find a pattern here. 5 times 2 times 7. Let's see if we see a pattern here. We have like that. Yeah, this is a tricky one, but you have sort of like the knight in chess, that sort of pattern. When you go like that, like that, like that, 2 down, like that. So 84 should be 1. So we have everything on this chart that's divisible by 7. Yeah, now, next one. What's the next one where no crayon has landed? It would be 11, right? These are known, by the way, as prime numbers. So 11 times 0 is 0. Prime numbers are numbers which cannot be divided by any other number. They don't have any multiples in them. I mean, they can't be factored. They can't be divided by whole numbers. So they're really special, right? And it's pretty cool. This actually, but that whole thing is another chapter.